This problem is for black to play, and the objective is to kill the 2 white stones on the corner without getting into a ko. So as you can see, white already has a tari on this stone. If black plays like this, then this will be a ko, which is not an acceptable result for black here. So number 1, black must connect here. And the strongest move white can play is this one, right? So now black needs to be really careful because white is about to cut black here. If black plays this, then black will die actually, right? This is a tari, number 4. If black captures in number 5, then white will atari from behind, and black will all die this way. So black's number 3 must connect here to protect these 4 stones. Now white will play this, right? Guaranteeing a real eye here at the 1-1 point. Now the problem is, can black destroy white's second real eye? And the answer is yes, right? Black can play here. And white will try this. Black atari, white must connect. And now black ataris from the first line. And we'll be able to connect to this stone right here. So this stone actually is crucial. Without this stone, white will be able to make a living shape. So black will have to go through a ko in order to kill white. But because black has this stone on the second line here, these 3 other stones will be able to connect, and white cannot capture any of these 3 stones. So this is a pattern that actually arises in games, and the life and death really depends on whether black has this stone. So you need to be careful, right? When you're seeing this pattern in games, you have to consider the whole sequence and see whether or not black can finish off white in this corner. Of course, there are also other sequences. After white plays this, white can play this, and white cannot succeed this way. So if you're black, do not play this because this will be another ko, right? White can potentially live on this ko. So make sure you avoid all the kos and know how to kill white like this. Thank you for watching.